Pinag-uusapan pa lang po ngayon, sa ngayon po kasi sir ay concentrated po tayo dito sa mga judicial processes po, doon po nakafocus po yun. But napapag-usapan na po yan, we have to really sit down, sino po ba talaga yung entitled dun sa mga rewards po for the arrest nga po ni Pastor Kibuloy and for others, because if I understand po, hindi lang po isa yung nakapagbigay po o ng information that led to the exact location where Kibuloy and others were hiding, and of course this led to the arrest of the 5 personalities po.
Yung kay Pauline na unang nahuli, na-release ba yung reward na 1 million?
Yes po. Na-release po yung 1 million po na yun.
Ma'am, ilan po yung PV no ma'am, anong personality?
I'm sorry sir, we really cannot give you the details I hope you understand to ensure the security and safety po ng informant po. But yes, na-release po yung 1 million.
Ma'am, pero si Pauline hindi kasama dito?
Hindi po ma'am, na-turn over na po siya ma'am sa sa pulungan po.
Saan po siya
I have to check po kung saan po siya naikulong. But I understand po ay naikumit na po siya.
Ma'am, ilan po yung pastor?
I cannot tell you how many, but I understand it's more than 1 po.
Then, pag-atatihan po yan?
Hintayin po natin sir yung magiging decision. Like I said earlier, this is being discussed kung sino po ba yung entitled po doon sa reward na ibinigay po natin that led to the arrest po. What I can tell you is definitely nakatulong po itong reward po natin para makakuha po tayo ng maraming information. This is also the reason why the PNP really intended to stay there until such time na mahuli po natin, because aside doon po sa mga instrumento at devices po na ginamit po natin, there were really information given to us confirming na nandun po sa loob yung mga hinahanap nating tao.